Well, I think this turned out pretty good here. I'm no operator. If I can do this, I feel like anybody can. The Hydra Bucket, it really turns a novice operator into somebody who seems experienced. Let the product do the work for you. When I look at this, I think this is a pretty good seed bed here. Again, I'm no expert landscaper, but if I got that much loose soil, I think we're ready to go. So the carbide teeth on that Hydra Bucket, they do an awesome job. Got our drum on. See what we can do here. So let's back up and let's show you guys what one pass does. All right, so there's one pass. Now let's hit the same spot. Change my drum around. Let's hit her in reverse and see what we can do. Maybe listen to her take that machine down. Use all of that horsepower. Takes it. Now we are down to darn near dirt. All right, let's see where all that grass is. There it is. We'll spit all that out. All right, here's the beauty of the Hydra Bucket. Now we can just discard little bit. Get out of here. Had enough of you, pesky old grass. Get out of here. You're useless to me. Put my drum in reverse. Let's do her again. She really likes it 2 or 3 times. But look at that. Look what we're putting out there. That's good stuff. Likes how she just starts chugging away, spewing all that black smoke. I think it's good to talk to yourself. It's healthy. Makes the day go by. Let's put her in reverse. Come on, you take it. Using all the horsepower, max efficiency. These little walk-behinds, boy, are they a great machine. The amount of work you can do with such a little piece of equipment. If I want, I can still haul it around with my Ford Ranger. Truck and trailer. This is good stuff. You need some more yard space? Let's make some. Yeah. I call this the finisher. We're just going to take and scoop up some of that material. Let's see you do this with your soil conditioner. Huh? Come on, Harley Rake. Let's see you do it. All right, let's see what we got here. Look at that. Keep going over it because knew how much fun I had at work, he'd probably expect more out of me at home. Kelly, if you're watching this was just scripted. The camera guy, he made me do it. That's good stuff.
Made here, made better, CMP.